A pleasant welcome to one and all. Now we are going to study about the topic how to unblock bottlenecks. Video lecture and e-content created by R.D. Sivakumar, MSc MPhil MTech, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Assistant Professor and Head, Department of MCom CA, INR Janakyamal College, Sivagasi. Mobile 09944042243. Email sivamscsit@gmail.com. Website www.rdsivakumar.blogspot.in. Co-author K. Yogeshwari MCom CA, INR Janakyamal College, Sivagasi. How to unblock bottlenecks? You can have two basic options for unblocking your bottlenecks. Increase the efficiency of the bottleneck step. Decrease input to the bottleneck step. In our trucking example, the clear solution was to increase efficiency by notifying the warehouse. How you might increase efficiency in other situation will depend greatly on the nature of the process concerned. But here are some general ideas. Ensure that whatever is being fed into the bottleneck is free of defects. By doing this, you ensure that you are not wasting the valuable bottleneck resource by using it to process material that will be later be discarded. Remove activities from the bottleneck process that could be done by the other people or machinery. Assign the most productive team members and technology to the bottleneck process. Add capacity in the bottleneck process. What follows are some guidelines helpful toward developing their reasoning abilities. All reasoning has the purpose. Take time to state your purpose clearly, distinguish your purpose from related purposes, and check periodically to be sure you are still on target, and choose significant and realistic purposes. All reasoning is based on assumption. Clearly identify your assumption and determine whether they are justifiable, and consider how your assumption are shaping your point of view. All reasoning is done from some point of view. Identifying your point of view, seek other points of view and identifying their strength as well as weakness. Strive to be fair-minded in evaluating all points of view. All reasoning is based on data, information and evidence. Restrict your claims to those supported by the data you have. Search for information that opposes your position as well as information that supports it. Make sure that all information used is clear, accurate and relevant to the question. Make sure you have gathered sufficient information. All reasoning contains inferences or interpretations by which we draw conclusion and give meaning to data. Infer only with what the evidence implies. Check inferences for their consistency with each other. Identify assumptions which lead you to your inferences. All reasoning leads somewhere or has implications and consequences. Trace the implications and consequences that follow from your reasoning. Search for negative as well as positive implications and consider all possible consequences. Thank you.